It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power liftgate, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. State-of-the-art amenities such as steering wheel memory and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.